So guys, today is another video banger, a full 10 minutes of basically just thrift finds, me finding insane stuff. Again, if you do see something you're interested, take a screenshot of the video, send it to me on Instagram at DITR954. I'll definitely take care of you. Now keep patient, I will have eventually all the stuff listed probably within the next week or two. I'm trying to just upload basically 200 plus items on my website and then just kind of have like a huge listing thing. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hope you guys enjoy this trip to the thrift. Let's get it, guys.
So a lot of hoodies and jackets today. Started off, we have this Scotch and Soda, little like flannel. I just love the colors on it. Next we did pick up this Columbia Titanium little windbreaker. Rio de Janeiro Brazil t-shirt. I just love the sleeve hits on it. These I might keep for myself, but we have the NBA joggers with the NBA pinstripe going down. This, I have to look it up, but it's like First Faust Basil of Wynwood Church Kids. First Church Kids Wynwood. And then these hoodies, I've never heard of it, but they're so crazy. First of all, they're super thick. They have printing literally all over it. I'll show you guys the tag and maybe you guys can tell me what it is. It says LLM. I've never heard of it, but it's just so sick. Like the printing on it is literally all over this thing. And there's two of them back to back. Really nice. I'm definitely keeping one for myself, maybe even both, but if like they're not hyped, but I've never heard of it. LLM. Then we did find this pristine chalk line. Made in USA, Miami Dolphins, with the Miami Dolphins spell. It looks like it's brand new, never worn. I think this is Vosch Church, but again, I have to look this up. We have VO at US. Little hoodie. Extra small Tommy Hilfiger. Little quilted bomber, but I just love it. Good morning. Super sick Coca-Cola embossed denim jacket. And last but not least, we have this NFL Miami Dolphins little SI windbreaker. And then I'm getting this for my friend because she likes cut-off hoodies. So I ended up finding the hoodie. It's called Lights Label Miami, and they go for $100 brand new. They're sold out of medium, large. I think the ones I have is XL though, because they do seem big. I'll probably end up keeping them. They're really nice hoodies. Maybe I'll throw up one for sale in case you guys want one, but I'm definitely gonna keep one for sure. A couple more finds today. We have the Fuck Michigan, and on the back, Ann Arbor is still a whore. Thought that was kind of cool. I think I'm gonna grab these for or no, these aren't for myself, but True Religion, brand new, tags torn off, joggers. I think they're women's though. These I'm gonna grab for myself. Super lightweight, just like olive green joggers. Found RL Ralph Lauren denim. What size is this? It's a 36-30. And then the find of this store, Vintage Pro Player Miami Hurricanes. The Miami on the back. Well guys, we struck gold. An entire cart filled, mainly jackets. To start off, we have this vintage Tommy Hilfiger plaid, little Tommy Hilfiger hit right there. Next, we do have this old school Miami Hurricanes, nice little embroidered crew neck. Finally got some jerseys today. We have this Diaz Miami Marlins. We have Pippen, champion from the Blazers. Jordan, 23, Wizards, and then another Pippen, 33, Blazers. Reebok though, not champion. Next we did find this Pro line, Dallas Cowboys, vintage, even has the Nike check right there. Nike Pro line, little Team Sports, so fire. Nike check on the sleeve. Did find this Patagonia, little light windbreaker. North Face, nice little like jacket. Found this Polo Ralph Lauren wool, blanket lined or fleece lined, however you want to say, the little rider. Found this Spider ski jacket or snow jacket. If you guys don't know, this brand's very expensive. Then what else did we find? We found a pair of Page denim, which I might end up leaving. I just have so many jeans at the moment, I don't really want to list more of those. This is an insane set. Look at this set. Like, the pants is multicolored, and then the shirt that goes with it is just insane. It has the Paco jeans style of freedom. Just so sick. So sick. What else do we have? We found this Hakuna Matata little Lion King shirt. Found this vintage starter 33 Abdul Jabbar. Found this tie-dye shirt, South Beach, Florida. Play cloth shirt, which I'm probably gonna leave. It has some stains and whatnot, and the cracking on it, just not that good. And then, if you guys saw Saturday, I thrifted this hoodie, which is like crazy. We found 2 of them brand new. Guys, look at what we just found. We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hoodies, and we're paying $2.50. And remember that they retail for $100. Crazy come up today. Today was amazing.
Well guys, we hit gold today. I only spent $59 on that entire black trash bag. Everything you guys saw today. We'll sell one of these hoodies for $60 by itself, and we got like 7 of these hoodies by it is, and then everything else will basically be profit. That was insane. We finally got some jerseys, some champion jerseys, which I've been waiting to find. We did find a Jordan's jersey. It wasn't a Chicago Bulls, sadly. But hey, it's still a Jordan champion jersey, and I'll take it at the end of the day. But I'm quickly headed to store number 2. Hopefully we still get some luck. Hopefully maybe we find some more of these hoodies. I'm telling you, these hoodies are amazing. The quality is amazing. If you guys saw, I thrifted 2 of these, and I was actually gonna keep both of them. Now that I have more of them, I'll sell them. I'll give them to you guys. I'll help you guys out, but I'm definitely keeping at least 2 to 3 minimum, just because this is one of my favorite hoodies now. But yeah, we did so good today. Oh man, I love days like this. You know, when you go and you just find a t-shirt, it doesn't make it exciting, but when you leave with a big trash bag full of stuff and you only spend $60 on it all, man. I'm pretty sure that Nike Dallas Cowboys jacket is probably a $100 bill too. So yeah, we're in money today. We're in the green, which is good. We needed this. But yeah, let's hit up store number 2 and let's get it, guys.
Well, only 3 items today. I have no idea what this is, but it's just an all over print. It has the Hanes Beefy tag, single stitch, but it's just craziness. I don't really know exactly what it is. We did find a vintage Florida Marlins on the True Fan tag, and then we also did find a vintage Miami Hurricanes Apex big logo jacket. Somebody actually had this in their cart already, and I saw the sleeve and I was like, yo, is that a Hurricanes jacket? And I started talking to him. I was like, oh, how much do you want for it? He's like, here man, just take it. So shout out to that guy. So just t-shirts today. We have this brand new Looney Tunes University, nice little embroidery, puff print. Found this Jeremy Scott Adidas t-shirt. Found this Billie Eilish tour shirt, which I'll probably have to look up. I don't know if that's worth it. This I might leave also. It's just a 2014 racing shirt. I just like the colors on it. The colors is pretty cool. This, I have no idea what it is. World Tour 1998. The colors on it was just so sick. It is a new age Disney print, but the colors were just so nice. I did find this little Pump Tour shirt. This Killstar collab with Marilyn Manson. This Bad Religion shirt, Los Angeles. And then a vintage Nike, just embroidered swoosh. Sadly, only 2 finds today. We have this Jessica Alba The Eye promo shirt. And then we did find this center swoosh Nike Atlanta with like the puff print. We found this Puma Ferrari little side bag. Got this Polo Ralph Lauren spill out hat. Got a pair of Birkenstocks, Air Max 1s, I think. Then, like, barely any clothing finds. Just have like this Marlins pullover. This Versace jeans. Little collared shirt. This Gap Athletic. And then Seek Discomfort hoodie. So we definitely got some good stuff today. We got some more Harley shirts, and these are actually way better than the first ones that we got. They're not older, but they're just better graphics. We have this 2007 Smoky Mountain. We have this one, super sick. Distressing. You have this blue pocket shirt with the fade. This one's definitely my favorite, the tie-dye one, HD 2003. Then this one, rock and roll. And last but not least, we have the Forever Free, super sick. These I grabbed for myself, just camo shorts or camo pants. Got this Adidas yellow puffer jacket. I might leave this, I'm not too sure. It's starting to get hot. Has like the wraparounds. I found this center swoosh Nike. It does have prints on it, but it's cracking. I'm gonna try to see if maybe I can remove that, and then it'll just be a nice center green center swoosh. I found this Hennessy Crooks and Castles hoodie, little zip jacket, rip and dip long sleeve, vintage polo Ralph Lauren, little ski patch, 100% wool. I found this GLD shirt, vintage 1996 Top Dog. Super crazy. I wish it was a bigger size, but we have the vintage Universal Studios ET single stitch. And last but not least, we have this Versace jeans. I don't know if it's real or not, but just crazy. Huge shout out that everyone has been placing orders, even though I haven't really been listing new stuff. I think we have about 15 packages going out today, so huge shout out to all you guys.